Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter integration. Okay, now Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed integration of some trigonometric function and the concept how to integrate different types of trigonometric functions, how to integrate the different types of trigonometric functions. Okay. Now today we are going to some more problems related to trigonometric function. Okay. Now another form of the integration, that is how to integrate integration of, that is integration of, this is type integration of dx by a sin x plus b cos x. Okay, so this is here whole square. So first procedure is divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So this is nothing, 1 here, 1 by cos square x means sec square x, divide by a, that is a sin x plus b cos x whole square divided by, that is whole divided by cos x whole square. Clear? And this is equal to sec square x divided by, this is a tan x plus what, b whole square dx. Now put a tan x plus b is equal to t, that implies a into sec square x is equal to dt by dx. Clear? And this is what, this is equal to a, that is sec square x ds, sec square x ds is equal to what, dt by a. Now this is equal to what, 1 by a dt by t square. So this is equal to 1 by a t to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. This is how 1 by a t to the power minus 2 dt. So this is t to the power minus 1 by a t to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by, so 1 by a into t to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c, that is equal to minus 1 by a into t plus c. What is t here? Minus 1 by a. What is t? T means a tan x plus b. A tan x plus b plus c. This is the solution of this type of problem. Now another question, integrate. This is question, integrate 5 sin x divided by 5 sin x divided by what, 3 minus 2 sin x, 3 minus 2 sin x dx. This is question. So solution is 5 sin x divided by 3 minus 2 sin x dx. So we have to adjust this, how to cancel the numerator form. So this is 5 and this is minus 2. So take 5 common, then divide by minus 2, and this is minus 2 sin x divided by 3 minus 2 sin x into dx. So 3 here, that is minus 5 by 2, and 3 minus 2 sin x divided by what, plus 3 here, minus 3. This is one term, this is another term. So 3 minus 2 sin x dx. So minus 5 by 2, this by this what? Cancel 1 dx, and this is 15 by 2, 1 by what? 3 minus 2 sin x into dx. So minus 5 by 2 dx means x plus 15 by 2, 1 by this is a plus sin x form. So 3 a plus b sin x form, minus 2 into 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2, because it is in the form of a plus b sin x. So this is, and simplify this, this is equal to minus 5 by 2 x plus 15 by 2 and 1 by what? 3 plus 3 tan square x by 2 minus 4 tan x by 2 divided by what? Divide by 1 plus tan square means x square x by 2 and dx. Now what happens here? Now this is equal to minus 5 by 2 x plus 15 by 2, and this is integration of x square x by 2 whole divided by 3 tan square x by 2. Clear? Minus 4 tan x by 2, this is 2, minus 4 tan x by 2 and plus 3. Here derivative of tan x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 sec square x by 2. So put tan x by 2 is equal to t, so sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to dt by dx. That implies sec square x by 2 dx is equal to 2 dt. Okay, so put here, that is minus, that is equal to what? Minus 5 by 2 x plus 15 by 2 integration 2 dt divided by 3t square minus 4t plus 3. Okay, so take 3 common and 2 cancel here. Minus 5 by 2 x plus 15 by 3 dt by t square minus 4 by 3 into t plus 1. So this is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this is minus 5 by 2 x plus 15 by 3 means what? 5 and dt by t square minus 2 into t into 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 whole square and minus 2 by 3 4 by 9 plus 1 dt. So this is equal to minus 5 by 2 x plus 5 dt by t minus 2 by 3 whole square. This is 4 by 9, so minus 4 plus 9, that is 5 root 5 by 3 whole square. This is standard form of x square plus y square. So that is minus 5 by 2 x plus 5 into 1 by a root 5 by 3 into tan inverse t minus 2 by 3 by root 5 by 3 plus c. Okay, now this is equal to minus 5 by 2x plus what? Root 5, so can 3 root 5 into tan inverse, this is 3t minus 2 divided by root 5. Okay, 3t minus 1, 3t minus 2, 3t minus 2 divided by root 5 plus c. Now put the value of t. This is equal to what? This is equal to now this is equal to minus 5 by 2x plus 3 root 5 tan inverse what? Tan inverse that is 3 10 x by 2 minus 2, okay, minus 2 by root 5. This is minus 2, this is x by 2, okay, plus c. This is the answer of this question. Now another question. This is another question. Integrate 2 cos x plus 7 divided by 4 minus sin x. Okay, so separate this because derivative of sin x is cos x present. So separate this 2 into what? Cos x, 2 into cos x by, that is solution. We can write solution. This is question, and the solution is what? Solution is 2 cos x plus 7 by 4 minus sin x into dx. Okay, so separate this 2. This is cos x divided by what? 4 minus sin x. 4 minus sin x. Okay, dx plus 7 common, 1 by 4 minus sin x into dx. Okay, what is derivative of this? Sin x, derivative of sin x equal minus cos x. So take here minus 2 into minus cos x divided by 4 minus sin x dx. So this is 7, 1 by what? 4 minus, this is 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2, because it is the form of a plus b sin x. Now for this use f dash x by f, integration f dash x by f of x, that is dx is equal to log fx. For this portion you this, so minus what? Minus 2 into log of 4 minus sin x more, and simplify this, and for this use this formula. Now simplify this. This is plus, and this is dx by 4 plus 4 tan square x by 2 minus 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 means sec square x by 2. The sec square x by 2 comes here, sec square x by 2 comes to this position. So this is equal to what? That is minus 2 of log of mode of sin x, okay, mode of sin x plus, and integration of sec square x by 2 divided by 4 tan square x by 2 this is sec square x by 2 divided by what? 4 tan square x by 2 minus 2 tan x by 2, and this is plus 4 into dx. Okay, this is integration now. This is integration now. Now it is little bit, this space is not visible, so write another place here. So this is what? Integration of what? This is minus 2 into log of 4 minus sin x mode, and this is what? Sec square x by 2 integration sec square x by 2 divided by 4 plus 4 tan square x by 2 minus what? 2 tan x by 2 and plus 4 dx. Put tan x by 2 equal to t. Put tan x by 2 is equal to t. So sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dt by dx. That implies sec square x by 2 into dx is equal to 2 dt. Now apply this. So this is equal to minus 2 ln 4 minus sin x mod plus what? 2 into dt by 4t square minus 2t plus 4. Okay. Now this is equal to minus 2 ln 4 minus sin x mod and 2 common here 2 and the denominator 4 common. This is dt by t square minus 1 by t plus 1. So this is minus what? Minus 2 log of 4 minus sin x plus 1 by 2 into what? dt by this is t square minus 2 into t into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 plus 1. So this is equal to what? Minus this is equal to minus 2 ln 4 minus sin x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into dt by what? T minus 1 by 4 whole square t minus 1 by 4 whole square and this is root 15 by 16, that is root 15 by, that is 15 by 16, so we can write root 15 by 4 whole square. Okay. Now this is equal to minus 2 ln of 4 minus sin x plus 1 by 2 1 by a. 1 by a means what? 1 by a. 1 by a means what? 1 by root 15 by 4 into what? Into tan inverse what? T minus 1 by 4 by root over 15 by 4 plus c. Okay, plus c. Now this is equal to minus what? This is equal to minus 2 ln 4 minus sin x and this is what? 1 by 2 here. Okay, so 1 by 2 here, that is 2 to cancel and 2 by root 15, that is 2 by root 15 into tan inverse 4t minus 1 by root 15 plus c. This is 4t minus 1. Now what is t here? T means minus 2 log of 4 minus sin x plus 2 by root 15 into what here? Tan inverse 4 tan x by 2 minus what? 1 divided by root 15 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Suppose this is what? Here 7 is left, so write 7 here. 7 is left here, so write 7 and this is also 7. Okay, and this is what? 14. Okay, this is 14 and this is 7 by 2. This is 7 by what? 7 by 2 and this is 7 by 2 and this is what? That is 2 4 here 2 and this is 14. So final answer is what? 14 by. Here 7 is left. Sorry, this is left. Right here 7, but in this place I left the 7, so correct it. Okay. Now the answer is minus 2 ln 4 minus sin x 14 by, correct it, that is 14 by root 15 tan inverse 4 tan x by 2 minus 1 divided by root 15. Clear? Now another question, integrate dx by 2 cos square x plus 3x. solution integration dx by 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x. So take cos x common, dx by cos x common, so 2 cos x plus 3. Okay, now you have to make the problem in partial form problem. So let's cos x is equal to suppose y. That implies here 1, that is 1 by cos x into 2 cos x plus 3 is equal to what? 1 by y into 2y plus 3. So let's 1 by y into 2y plus 3 is equal to what? A by y plus b by 2y plus 3. Now this is equal to, as per the partial fraction rule, so this is equal to 1 is equal to a into 2y plus 3 plus by. Put y is equal to 0, so this is equal to what? 3a. 3a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 3. Now put y is equal to minus what? Minus 3 by 2. That implies minus 3 by 2 into b. This is 0 is equal to 1. So b is equal to what? B is equal to minus 2 by 3. B is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now this is value of a and this is value of a and this value of b. Now integration, that is 1 by y, okay, 1 by y, sorry, this is a by y. Now a by y plus b by 2y plus 3 is equal to what is value of a? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into what? 1 by y. 1 by y. And what is value of b? Minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2y plus what? 2y plus 3. Now actually the question is in terms of x, cos x. So put cos x, y is equal to cos x here. So integration of, that is 1 by cos x into 2 cos x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by cos x, 1 by cos x dx minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 cos x plus 3 into dx. So that is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by cos means sec x and minus 2 by 3. This is the form of, what is this form? Y ds by 2a cos x plus b form. So use, this is 1 by 2 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 3 into dx. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into log of what? Sec x plus tan x minus 2 by 3, 1 by what? This is 2 minus 2 tan square x by 2 plus 3 tan square x by 2 divide by, this is 1 plus tan square x by 2 means sec square x by 2 into dx. Okay, now this is equal to 1 by 3 into log of sec x plus tan x minus 2 by 3 this is sec square x by 2 divided by 5 plus what? Or this is tan square x by 2 minus 2 tan square x by 2 plus 3, that is tan square x by 2 plus 5, that is 5 into dx. Now put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Now put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Now put tan x by 2 equal to t. Put tan x by 2 is equal to t. So sec square x by 2 derivative of x by 2 1 by 2 dt by dx. So that is implies sec square x by 2 and dx is equal to 2 dt. So this is 1 by 3 ln of sec x plus tan x minus 2 by 3, this is minus symbol here. So minus 2 by 3 into what 2 dt by t square plus root 5 whole square. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 3 log of sec x plus tan x minus 4 by 3 into 1 by a 1 by root 5 into, that is tan inverse t by root 5 plus c. So this is equal to 1 by 3 log of sec x plus tan x, and this is minus 4 by 3 root 5 tan inverse t means what, tan x by 2 by root 5 plus c. Okay, this is one more question. Dx divided by integration of dx divided by 4 sin square x minus sin x. So solution is integration dx by 4 sin square x minus sin x. So this is also the problems of partial fraction, because here that is dx, that is 1 by take sin x common. So 4 sin x minus 1. Okay, this is also partial fraction. So let sin x is equal to what, y. So 1 by sin x, 4 sin x minus 1 is equal to a by what, this is 1 by y into 4y minus 1. Let's make this partial fraction. So let 1 by y 4y minus 1, y into 4y minus 1 is equal to a by y plus what, b by 4y minus 1. As per partial fraction method, we can write this 1 is equal to what, 1 is equal to a into 4y minus 1 plus b y, correct? So put y is equal to 0, so this term becomes 0 and this term becomes 0, that is minus a is equal to 1, that implies a is equal to minus 1. Now put here y is equal to 1 by 4. Put y is equal to 1 by 4, that implies this term 0, that is b by 4 is equal to b into 1 by 4, that is b by 4 is equal to 1, that implies b is equal to 4. Okay, now 1 by y into 4y minus 1 is equal to a means minus 1 by y, a by y, and b means what, 4 by minus 1, 4 by minus 1. Now this is equal to what, integration of 1 by here x cos x, and this is sin x, 1 by what? Sin x. Sin x minus 4 sin x minus 1 dx is equal to minus, that is 1 by sin x plus dx plus 4 into 1 by 4 sin x minus 1 into dx. Okay, this is the solution. That is a equal to minus 1 and b equal to 4. So what happens here? That is 1 by minus 1 by sin x means what? Cosec x dx plus 4 into, this is a plus b sin x form, so this is 1 by 4 into what? 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. Correct. So what happens here? That is equal to minus of log of cosec x minus cot x plus 4 into, this is 1 by what? 8 tan x by 2. Okay, and this is minus tan square x minus 1 minus tan square x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 means x square x by 2 into dx. So this is equal to minus log of cosec x minus cot x plus 4 into what? This is sec square x by 2 and this is what? Minus tan square x by 2 plus 8 into tan x by 2. Okay, 8 into tan x by 2 minus 1 into dx. Okay, so take minus common, minus log of what? Cosec x minus cot x minus 4 into sec square x by 2 divided by tan square x by 2 minus 8 tan x by 2 and this is plus 1 into dx. Okay, now this is question. So minus head, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Put tan x by 2 equal to t and this is what? Sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dt by dx. So now sec square x by 2 dx is equal to 2 dt. Apply here, that is minus here, minus log of cosec x minus cot x and minus 4 and this is what? 2 dt by t square and t square minus 4 8t. Okay, so plus 1. Now this is ln of cosec x minus cot x minus 8 into dt by t square minus 2 into t into what? 4 plus 4 square minus 4 square means 16 plus 1. Now this is equal to minus log of what? Cosec x minus cot x minus 8 into integration dt by t minus 4 whole square plus minus root 15 minus what? Minus 15 means minus root 15 whole square. This is x square minus x square form. Okay, this is standard form of x square minus a square form. So minus log of cosec x minus cot x. So minus 8 into 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into a means root 15. Log of t minus 4, t minus 4, clear, t minus 4 minus root 15 by t minus 4 plus root 15, okay, more plus c. This is so this is equal to what? Minus log of cosec x minus cot x minus 4 by root 15, okay, minus 4 by root 15 minus 4 by log of t means what? 10x by 2, 10x by 2 minus 4 minus root 15 divide by 10x by 2 and minus 4 plus root what? This is root 15 plus c, okay. Now another question, integrate 1 by cos x minus cos 3x. Solution, this is 1 by cos x minus cos 3x. This can be done in two methods, either use cos 3x formula or use cos c minus cos d formula, okay, cos c minus cos d formula. Or now this is equal to, what is cos c minus cos d formula? Cos c minus cos d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 sin c plus d by 2, x plus 3s, 4x by 2, that is 2x, and d minus c by 2, 3s minus x, right, that is sin x dx, okay. So this is equal to integration 1 by, and this is 2 into 2 sin x into cos x, this formula for sin 2x, and here sin x dx. Now this is 1 by 4 into what? Sin square x into what? Cos x dx. Now 1 is equal to, put 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. So 1 by 4, 1 means what? Sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos x dx. So 1 by 4 sin square x divided by sin square x into cos x dx. Again 1 by 4 into cos square x divided by sin square x into cos x dx. So sin square cancel. So 1 by 4 in 1 by cos means what? Sec x ds plus 1 by 4, and this is cos x cancel. So this is cot x into cosec x dx. So this is 1 by 4 into what? Sec x formula, that is log of sec x plus 10x plus 1 by 4 into, this is what? Minus cosec x plus c. So this is equal to what? 1 by 4 into log of sec x plus 10x minus 1 by 4 into cosec x plus c. This is answer. Now another question. One question, integrate dx by cos x into 1 plus 2 sin x. So this is what? Solution, dx by cos x 1 plus 2 sin x. Okay, this cannot be make partial fraction directly. we have to use substitution method. What is derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is cos x, but here not present. So multiply and numerator and denominator by cos x. So this is cos x by this is cos square x 1 plus 2 sin x dx. Now this is equal to what? Cos x by 1 minus sin square x into 1 plus 2 sin x into dx. Now put sin x is equal to t. Sin x is equal to t. So cos x dx is equal to dt. So dt, that is dt by, that is 1 by 1 minus t square into 1 plus 2t. Okay, or we can write, if taking minus common, minus 1 by this is t square minus 1 into 2t plus 1 dt. Also this is what? 1 by t minus 1 t plus 1 into 2t plus 1. Make this partial fraction. Okay, so what happens is, that is, let this is suppose minus 1, suppose this is minus 1, correct, this is minus 1, let minus 1 by t minus 1 into t plus 1 into 2t plus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to a by t minus 1 plus b by t plus 1 plus c by 2t plus 1. As per the rule of the partial fraction, we can write here minus 1 is equal to what? A into t plus 1 into 2t plus 1 plus b into t minus 1 into 2t plus 1 plus c into what? 1t minus 1 into t plus 1. Okay, as per the rule of partial fraction. Now eliminate. Suppose put t equal to minus 1, or put, so suppose we have to eliminate c. So what we have to put here? T equal to 1. T equal to 1. Put t is equal to what? 1. So if t equal to 1, this term 0 and this term 0, only a terms here. So t equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 3, 6. 6a is equal to minus 1, that is 6a is equal to minus 1, that is a is equal to minus 1 by 6. Now you have to suppose try to eliminate b term. So put t is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2, because t equal to 1, put here, you can eliminate this. T is equal to what? This is t equal to 1. Okay, so eliminate one thing you should remember. First this term 0, this term 0 and this term 0. So what is here? If t is equal to minus 1, this term 0. Okay. First this term 0, t equal to 1, then t equal to minus 1. Okay, put t is equal to minus 1. Put t is equal to minus 1. If t is equal to minus 1, this term 0 and this term 0. Okay, so but b terms remain here, that is what? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so here b is equal to minus 2 and 2 into minus 1, minus 2 and plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 is equal to what? Minus 1. So b is 2b is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Again make this term 0. So put t is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. So if t is equal to minus 1 by 2, what happens? This term 0, this term 0 remain. So c, and this is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and right, this is minus 1. So this is minus 1. So this is c into minus 3 by 2, and this is 1 by 2, and this is 1. Okay, so that implies what? Minus 3 by 4c is equal to minus 1. That implies c is equal to 4 by 3. C is equal to 4 by 3. So now the integration will be what? The integration will be a by t minus 1. What is value of a? This is value of a. What is value of b? This is value of b. What is value of c? This is value of c. So minus 1 by what? That is equal to minus 1 by 6 into 1 by t minus 1 dt. And what is value of b? Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by t plus 1 dt. And value of c is equal to 4 by 3 into 1 by 2t plus 1 dt. So this is t coefficient 1. So direct log formula, minus 1 by 6 log t minus 1 minus 1 by 2 log t plus 1 and 4 by 3. This is t coefficient 2. So start formula, first 1 by a formula, that is 1 by t coefficient, that is 1 by 2 log of what? 2t plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to what? Plus c. Okay, so this is minus 1 by 6 log of t means what? What is t here? What is t? T means sin x. Sin x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 log sin x plus 1. What is 2 by 3 here? This is to cancel, 2 by 3 log of 2 sin x plus 1 plus c. Answer. Okay. Now integration of type sin x by cos bx cos cx ds, cos x by sin bx cos cx ds, etc., where bx minus cx is equal to x. Okay, bx minus cx is equal to x. So use this type formula. Example, this is question based on this formula. That is question integrate okay, integrate sin 3x divided by sin 3x divided by cos 7x into cos 4x ds. Make this is ax is equal to bs minus cx. Okay, so sin 3s means what? So this is solution, sin 3s divided by solution cos 7x into cos 4x dx. So this is sin 7x minus 4x divided by cos 7x into cos 4x dx. So this is what? Sin a minus b. So sin 7x into cos 4x minus cos 7x into sin 4x whole divided by what? Cos 7x into cos 4x whole divided by, that is what? Cos 7x into cos 4x dx. So take what can, so cos 4x 4 cancel, and this is cos 7x cos 7 cancel. Integration here tan 7x dx minus what? Tan 4x dx. So what is tan 7x addition? 1 by 7 log of sec 7x minus 1 by 4 log of sec 4x plus c. This is answer. Okay, now another form. Now type if a plus b is equal to c, then tan of a plus b is equal to what? Tan a, then tan a into tan b into tan c is equal to tan c minus tan b minus tan a. This is the concept. Now one example here, question: integrate tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x dx. Here a is equal to what? X, b is equal to what? 2x, c is equal to here 3x. So this can be what? We can solution is tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x dx. Now here 3x is equal to what? 2x plus x. This is a and this is b. According to this formula, okay, so this is equal to integration of tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x dx. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 3 log of sec 3x minus 1 by 2 log of sec 2x minus log of sec x plus a. Okay, এটা কেমতি হলা? both side tan নেলে জনা পড়িব। দেখো প্রুফটা কর দউছি, a plus b tan a plus b is equal to tan c. So what is here? Tan a plus tan b minus what? 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to tan c. So multiply करके तो सी tan a plus tan b is equal to tan c minus tan a into tan b. ये पर नहीं जो कितना चला? tan a tan b, here also tan c है, tan c, tan a tan b tan c is equal to tan c minus tan b minus what? Tan a. This is the proof of this. Okay, these are the some problems related to trigonometry functions. Next video we will do the definite integral. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.